Hey guys, Jared Wesley of Live Traders back for another trade review. Today's trade review is on Nvidia. I took this trade actually 2 times today. The first one went over 1-to-1. We were up about 500 bucks on it, and then it came all the way back down to break even, and we ended up making nothing. I think we made $12 off of it. But the second Nvidia trade was a beautiful 2-minute buy setup that triggered right around 155.25. The stop loss was right around 154.35, and the thing went up very, very nicely. Ended up making over $700 on it. Little bit disappointing because I probably should have made $900 to $1,000 on it. I got a little bit jittery on it and got out just a little bit too early. I clipped some shares off just a little bit early. Overall, an okay day, guys. All right. Anytime you make $700 or $800, it's not a bad day, but it's not a really good day either. Okay. So a little disappointed with that. I'm also disappointed for missing LRCX today. I put it on my favorites list. I put it out there on StockTwits. I put it out there for the whole world to look at over the $150 mark, and that thing just ripped. I mean, it went $10 and you had to get it early, and I just barely missed it. So I did record the open today. The very, very, very open, like the first 2 minutes, I don't know what happened, but my trade station just completely locked up. So the first 2 minutes I won't include in there. You can still see my fills and my P&L and all that other stuff, but everything just locked up. I have it recorded slightly, but there's nothing happening because everything's locked up. So anyway, I recorded the Nvidia trades. I did lose $54 today on AAL. Not a big deal. Nibbled some and never added back to it because it didn't give a good entry. But 2 trades on Nvidia. One was up nicely and then pulled back and got us at break even, and the second one actually worked and hit our target. So as I told you guys, I would be doing more of these videos, and well, I did one yesterday. I'm doing another one today. So I'll try to get these out as often as I can. Every once in a while, even with OBS, it slows my platform down a little bit, but I still want you guys to see what I'm thinking about when I'm trading, what my thought process is, and why I take the stocks and trades that I do. All right, so enjoy the video, guys. Remember, Live Traders chat room open house January 31st at 9 a.m. The link will be in the description below. Check it out. It's free, but there is limited space available. Okay, you'll get to see me trade live, real P&L, orders, originator numbers, no armchair warrior crap. Okay, real stuff. So Live Traders chat room, January 31st, open house, 9 a.m. Click the link in the description to sign up. Let's head over and check out how my trading day went. We're going to open here shortly. I told you guys what I was doing. I made it very clear and very upfront what I was doing with AAL. So we're going to open here, guys, again, very soon. You guys know what the favorites are. And, you know, we'll see if we can't make a little money off them. My screen has locked up now. That's nice. My back, finally. There we go. Oh, my goodness. I'm completely locked up, guys. Completely locked up. Okay. Watch AAL, watch UNP, guys. Guys, watch PTC. Okay, watch PTC. Going a little lower here. I want to keep a close eye on UNP. AAL, again, is getting to the point where I really don't want to see this thing break the low of the day. Right here. And I'm willing to give this down to 33.40, and that's it. Okay, that's kind of the pre-market low area. Nvidia, you're looking at 155 by 154. I'm going to keep a close eye on Nvidia, guys. Guys, I'm gonna put an order in for Nvidia, guys. All right. So I'm going to look at Nvidia 155 by 153.70, guys. Nvidia 155 by 153.75. Okay, that's a big stop. I'm going to be out of AAL here, guys. All right, see it right here? That's the pre-market low. It's probably going to drop and then pop later. All right, but Nvidia, guys. All right, I'm in Nvidia. Actually, I have too many shares of Nvidia. All right. All right, it's a $1.25 stop on Nvidia. Gosh darn it, man. These guys, these programs, I just can't record the open, man. All right, so again, guys, 157.25 is the Nvidia target. Okay. That's the target, all right, on Nvidia. Okay. I'm going to peel a little more off here, guys, if it'll fill me, which it doesn't want to do. Nvidia stop is break even. I've already said that. All right, see if I can just peel a little bit more off if it pops up. I got it. And again, now we have, yeah, I don't know, 355 locked. And if we can get it above 157, I think we'll be all right. All right, if we can get it above 157, we'll be all right. This is actually not moving as quickly as Nvidia normally moves. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but that's the target area, 158. Ours is 157.25. You can see the 60-minute right there, right? That's what we're looking at right there. Okay, so again, here we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. 3 cents from our target. We got a pretty good amount locked, guys. 530. One last pop here, guys. One last pop. I'm getting really good at nickel and diamond these, aren't I, guys? Guys, look how many exits I have on Nvidia. 12 exits. Isn't that pathetic? Just tell me. Just be honest with me. Well, that's not true. This is 2 different trades, so that's not actually 12. It's probably about 6. All right, because this is 2 different trades. All right, it's pathetic. Chuna's going to tell me how pathetic it is. It is pathetic, but again, it's not actually 12, guys. This is 2 separate trades, so let's be frank about that. But it's pretty pathetic. It's not. They're a dollar. They're a dollar when I take them off like this. So I mean, it's going to cost me $10 out of 700 or 800. It's a non-issue. It's such a non-issue, right? I just want to feel like, there we go. At least I got something off at my actual target. Right? All right. All right, out. I did a pretty bad job. So out Nvidia, guys, for a 1.6R gain. I think my risk on that was about 450, something like that. Right? We had 500 shares with a 90-cent stop, I think it was. So I don't know what divided by 450. Yeah, 1.6. So pretty pathetic, right? Pretty pathetic because 157.25 would have been full target. But anyway, just kicking ass and taking names. The markets are fine. They're not, they're not tanking here. So there's no real reason to get nervous. Nvidia was really strong during this pullback on the Qs. The SPY pulled back a little bit and Nvidia was really strong. Like, if there was any stock out there other than LRCX and Xilinx that you wanted to be in, Nvidia was it. So I am pleased, though. One of the things I will say I'm pleased about, okay? If I chastise myself quite a bit around here. But one thing I am pleased about is that we got back in. Right? I followed the rules my first trade, okay? And we got tagged just under break even, okay, right there. And this stock went 1.2R. I'm going to break even every time after that. Every time. Pulls back. We got right back in on the 2-minute buy setup. We got right back in. Okay? So, well done, guys, in that respect. the problem is I've just been nickel and diming them. This second trade on Nvidia was really not very painful. We were in at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15 minutes. That's right in the wheelhouse, right? 10 to 30 minutes is the wheelhouse. 5 to 30 minutes is the wheelhouse. And I just need to stop. I really need to stop. It's just bad. Like I'm going to put it on the screen because I need some accountability here. But look at this, guys. Just take a look at that. All right, that is the second trade right there. All right, so I'll just put the sell orders on just so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sell orders on Nvidia. Look at that. 50, 50, 50, 50, 100, 100, 50, 25, 25. It's pathetic. It's just pathetic. Right? The first one, fine. The rest of them should be the first one and the last one. They're the only two orders you should see. 50 shares here and the last one down here. All right, I'm putting it up there so everybody can see it so that you can chastise me. All right, I mean, that's all the fills I've had today. There's the order number counter, but just way too much horse shit. Way too much crap, guys. All right. That slippage on, that wasn't too bad. I got 8-cent slippage on AAL. It's not too bad. Anyway, I just put that up for you guys because I need the accountability. To get more great educational content, subscribe to the Live Traders YouTube channel. This way you'll get email alerts every time I upload a new video.